In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 1v1 Madden 24. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to play online against your friends or how to play on the same console. So, if you have an additional controller, in order to set up a 1v1 lobby in Madden 24, if you want to do it online, first go over to the home screen and then select the Play Now option, and you will be able to find online head-to-head. So all that you have to do is choose Quick Play and then online head-to-head. Now this will take you to a menu similar to this one. In here, choose the secondary option, Play a Friend, and immediately upon selecting this, you will be able to invite them from your EA friends list. So even if you are on cross-platform, you can still do this. Just add them to the EA friends list, and once they appear under your online friends, you will be good to go. When you open the social menu from EA, you will see all of the options at the bottom to add new friends and make sure that they appear on the list. Once they have been added to the social tab, you will be good to go. So invite them from here, and once they are in the lobby, you can start the match and configure it however you prefer. Now, like I mentioned earlier, you can also do split screen or couch co-op, where you will be able to connect two controllers to the same console. This way you don't need different consoles to play with your friends, and you don't need to be online. So first, make sure that an additional controller is connected to your console. This can be done through a cable or wirelessly, and after you assign any user account to that controller, you can choose Pro Bowl from the options at the beginning. So choose Quick Play and then Pro Bowl. Now you will find the options related to assigning the controllers, one to the away team and one to the home team. After this is done, you can start the match and play against your friend. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 1v1 in Madden 24. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.